This video we are going to talk about how to fix Kodi add-on not working, Repo fix, clear cache and update Kodi. Fix 1. Check your internet connection. You just have to make sure your device having a stable internet connection. Or just you can restart your router or modem. If connection is slow or unstable, some add-ons on a Kodi won't load content. Fix 2. Update Kodi to the latest version. Outdated Kodi can break add-ons compatibility. For that, you have to visit the Kodi's official page and then you have to download the latest version. Then you have to install the update on your device, and add-ons often require a newest Kodi release to work properly. Fix 3. Update or reinstall the add-ons. You just have to open the Kodi and go to the add-ons. Then click on My Add-ons and select the problematic add-ons and choose Update if available. If it doesn't help, you can just uninstall the add-ons and reinstall it from a reliable repository. Fix 4. Clear Kodi cache. A temporary files can lock Kodi and stop add-ons from working. First of all, you just have to open the setting, then move to the file manager. And there you have to click on profile directory database. Then you have to delete unnecessary cache files. Fix 5. Enable unknown source for third-party add-ons. First of all, you just have to open the Kodi and navigate to settings. Then click on system and move to the add-ons in a Kodi, and then you have to enable the unknown source option, then restart to apply changes. Unofficial add-ons will not install without enabling unknown sources. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.